Hey guys, I'm Emma Ryan, Integrative Nutrition Health Coach and founder and owner of Plant. Today we are making the best no-bake cookies, in my opinion. They're vegan, they're gluten-free, they're peanut-free, so those of you with peanut allergies, like my sister, these are safe and delicious for you. If you're hearing something weird, I already have my induction burner on, so you might hear a little humming sound from that, but this is my electric cooktop, so we can do these together for this video. So to start, I'm gonna do 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil in my skillet. I'm gonna do 1/2 cup of maple. I'm gonna do 1/4 cup of homemade almond milk. I have 2 tablespoons of cacao powder. And then I have 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla and a pinch of salt. And now I'm just gonna stir this up and we're gonna let this cook a little bit. I like to do all my liquids just to get them integrated, get them mixed well together, and then I'm gonna add sunflower seed butter. That'll work. So instead of peanut butter like you would traditionally use in no-bake cookies, I'm using sunflower seed butter. You guys probably know by now that I have a little bit of an obsession with sunflower seed butter. You can use cashew butter, almond butter, you can use any of those that you'd like. I'm gonna turn this down, but this works really well. So we're just gonna kind of stir this together until it's all incorporated. We're gonna let it cook for about 2 minutes. It'll start to thicken up, and then we'll be ready to make our cookies. All right, so as you can see, I've been letting this cook and stirring it for about 2 minutes. This has really thickened up, so we have a really nice, thick, creamy sauce here. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn off my heat. So I'm gonna turn the induction burner off. And I'm going to add 1.5 cups of gluten-free rolled oats. So now, kind of incorporate these, mix these up as best as you can. And you could transfer this to a mixing bowl if you prefer, but we're just gonna mix this up together. Now that we have our dough and it's ready to be formed into cookies, I'm gonna go ahead and bring out a baking sheet with a piece of parchment paper on top. All right, so now I have a baking sheet, a piece of parchment paper on top, and I have my dough. I'm also going to use this little cookie dough scoop here, ice cream scoop, and I'm going to, it's about a 2 tablespoon scoop. So I'm going to go ahead and scoop those onto my baking sheet. All right, so now I have all of my cookies. Gosh, this looks good. And I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to chill. Once they come out of the refrigerator, they're ready to eat. Store them in a to-go container, keep them in the fridge for up to a week or so. Hope you enjoy these. Be sure to subscribe, comment below, let me know what dessert recipe you're looking for next time, and I'll see you soon.